Hey, you might be wondering what is Ethereum, what is Bitcoin on this TRON scan, what they are doing. I mean, they have their own blockchain platform, right? They have their own like the Ether. They have Etherscan. Um, Let me type it. Etherscan.io, and there is also BTC.com, which is not official, but some kind of like API to check the Bitcoin network. So you might be wondering, uh, did Satoshi Nakamoto, the founder of Bitcoin, came to the Justin Sun and said, "Hey, can you add my like crypto on your blockchain? Can you like Vitalik Buterin came to Justin Sun and like, hey, can you add Ethereum?" You might be wondering, right? But actually, no. And what is this then? Is this fake or something? Uh, yes and no at the same time. While this is not their native token on their native blockchain, right? This is on the like the TRON blockchain, but the precision, the some parameters match the original character that they want to. But other things like the total supply, the total supply is here just 25,000, while the BTC max total supply is like 21 million, and Bitcoin is, or I mean, Ethereum is 18 million, like the maximum annual supply. But here is just less than it, right? So then what is this? Like, what's happening here? So this is called like the Ropus. It's sort of imitates the coin, and the thing is how like the market price is tracked by the like Binance or like the popular trading platform, and it's just regulated. So they want to make sure you're experiencing the same thing, the same Bitcoin, but on the another blockchain. It's same just like Bitcoin ERC20, which is which is on Bitcoin on Ethereum platform. Okay, so this is the same thing. Um, while I personally don't want to use it, like the investing in it, using it, uh, I actually could do, but I don't want to do it. I just want to use their like the TRON blockchain. Okay, the native token is TRX, BDD. I want to use them. Okay, I don't want to like use other like the foreign cryptos, especially it's not like the 100% correct crypto. And like the Justin Sun could just add any coin as well, like Litecoin. Yeah, he did actually. Wow. Yeah, so here we go, Litecoin. So, the strange thing is, this has like the reputation neutral, while the Bitcoin has okay reputation, and the previous Ethereum had okay reputation. So I think uh, you and I should be careful of it too, because the price is, for example, here it's regulated by some people. They want to make sure you're having a good experience, you're not losing the price, someone not can just dump it or pump it. While let's say that Litecoin could be like dumped, they just could sell to you, and you can never sell it at the same price or higher anyway. Let's check the Vertcoin. Is there a thing like Vertcoin, which is also a crypto? Okay, so no, there is nothing like that. Yeah, so we could see it. So the message is just be careful. Think twice. Don't fall that it's 100% true if you see like the okay reputation, or like you see the Justin Sun's comment. Okay, just be careful. Okay, goodbye. Miss you.